number 9. Congratulations.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
you are the one of the top 5. Your question is, fraternity or sorority has its own controversy, most especially in initiation on welcoming new members. Like some experience hard time, and the worst, it might suffer the life of a person. The question is, how you convince people to join such fraternity or sorority?
Ladies and gentlemen, different people have different points of views, concepts, and ideas regarding in a certain matter. And as a gay, I have my own. I hope whatever comes to my mouth, it will be respected. Because in this particular question, there's no such right, a wrong answer, even a correct answer. So the question is, how would I be able, the people, to convince to join fraternity or sorority, and why? You know, ladies and gentlemen, there is a notion in this society that when you join fraternity or sorority, your life will be risky because of the torture of the initiation. But according to Webster Dictionary, fraternity and sorority, it is a group of brotherhood and sisterhood who have same common goals and aspiration in life. This group, they have their own same commitment. And I will be able to encourage people to join fraternity and sorority by telling to them that this group, you know, they have same beliefs, friendship, and knowledge. And those commitments that they have, such as like the Tau Gamma PH. You know, ladies and gentlemen, they are a living testament. This particular platform will not be possible without the group of Tau Gamma PH of Barangay Tumana. So how can I convince people to join fraternity or sorority? By telling to them that commitment comes by building one house on a firm foundation. A committed person builds his life on a rock rather than on the sand. And when the trouble comes in, undoubtedly, we will face all the trials that will have lifelong results. Because commitment is not just knowing of our minds, but with understanding of our hearts. So we should always keep our hearts open to the message it's contained. Thank you.